How to stop follow request on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application on your device. Go to your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner and go to account privacy. If your account is private, you can simply switch it to public. Then after you won't be able to receive any follow request, you will just receive the notification when someone follow you. Now the next step is if you still want to maintain your account as a private account, go to follow request and don't delete any request so that you won't be able to receive notification for the same account that follows you. Then go to settings again. You simply need to find the option of follow and invite. Once you do, you will see the option of flag review. Simply toggle on that feature. After that, go to your profile and make sure your number of followers is very less so that their mutual followers also cannot send you follow request. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.